warmly welcome you to the fifth lab of real-time systems project. And in this project, we are going to do a new exercise. And in this new exercise, your objective is to implement a USB HID device. In previous lab sessions, we have been using MPLAB IDE for all of our experiments, but in this case, we are now switching to a new compiler called CCS compiler. So the specialty of this new compiler is that this compiler comes with a USB software stack that you can easily use to build many different USB device types. So I'm now walking you through this project, the building process of this project. So first you have to create an empty folder, and if I go to the document folder here, I have an empty folder, and this folder will be used to create your new project. And after you install the CCSC compiler, it will appear as it will appear in this image as a desktop icon, so that by double clicking it, you can open the CCS compiler and you can enjoy the features of it. So it will look like this. And of course, I'm using the evaluation package, and that's why I have 26 days left here, the right hand side. Now we are going to make a new project. So under new, you can go to the project wizard. And in the project wizard, now we are using the empty folder as the project directory, and the file name as main. So this is going to be our main file that has the C code for our new project. And then press the save button. This is where the most important part is. So we are running this experiment on a different microcontroller, because not all the microcontrollers have the USB facility, USB support. So in this case, we are using the PIC 18F4550 microcontroller. PIC 18F4550. This is the microcontroller you should select. And as I mentioned, this comes with the full USB facility. So in order to use the full specification, full spec of the USB functionality, you need to use the USB full speed, and that will automatically select the clock speeds, clock frequencies required for your microcontroller here as the CPU clock, and then the frequency required for the crystal clock. So this is, you have to fill it in this stage, and then you press the create project. And with the creation of the project, the first thing you will get is the main file. So now you have to get your code from the USB HID.c file and then paste that code here. So this is a clean code that will give no errors if you compile. Well, after the compilation, if you go to that the location of your empty folder, inside that empty folder there are many files created by this compilation process, and you see here the hex file of the main file, and this is the one that you should upload to the Proteus to get your simulation working and simulation up and running.